Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Think you can't automate your sales process? Think again. This video takes you behind the scenes to reveal the secrets of Pipedrive automation and how it can transform your sales team's productivity. Imagine spending hours manually updating spreadsheets, chasing leads, and forgetting crucial follow-ups. This manual process is time-consuming, prone to errors, and hinders your growth. Introducing Pipedrive, a game-changing CRM solution that automates your sales process and empowers you to focus on what matters most, closing deals. Start by capturing every lead using web forms, chatbots, or integrations like LinkedIn and Facebook. Then tag and segment them by type or source so you always know who's hot and who needs nurturing. Say goodbye to tedious manual tasks and embrace efficiency with Pipedrive's automation features. Boost productivity and ensure no leads slip through the cracks by leveraging the power of automation. Use custom pipeline stages like new lead to qualified to proposal sent to one. It gives you a clear visual of where every opportunity stands and what to do next. Dive into Pipedrive's intuitive automation features, including automated emails, workflows, and triggers. Never miss a follow-up. Add tasks, emails, and meetings as activities. Pipedrive tells you who to call, when to call, and what was said last. Use automations to send emails, move deals, or assign tasks. And with smart docs, send proposals your clients can sign instantly. With Pipedrive, it's easier to organize leads, track deals, and actually win more clients. If you're ready to sell smarter, not harder, start using Pipedrive by clicking on the link in the description.
Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.